Hi, third grade. Hi, students, parents, guardians, family members. I am going to go through how to get into your child's Seesaw classroom from a laptop, Chromebook, desktop. There will be another video explaining how to access it from a tablet or a phone, which uses the app. I'm going to show you how to use it from like using the website. So first you are going to, maybe you've Googled Seesaw app. You also could have accessed it by looking on your child's teacher's website. Maybe your teacher did sent it via Class Dojo, the link to Seesaw, but whatever. We're going to go to the Seesaw website. And here you will click the blue login button. Now, as a student, you would obviously click I'm a student. Now, parents, you will also be able to access Seesaw. Your child's teacher will explain more about how that's a bit of a different app than what your student will have. But anyways, we're gonna be a student. You click I'm a student. Now, I do not want students to worry at all about this part up here. Your child's teacher will have included the specific text code for your child in the bag that will be sent home on Thursday. This code is specific to the child, and so you would need to type that in and then click go. If you are confused as to where you can find this text code, do not hesitate to reach out to the teacher. It's imperative they have this code so that they can get into the classroom. The other thing to do is to click scan code, and it actually has a built-in camera here to scan the QR code that is on the piece of paper that was sent home as well. If I were to open it right now, it would just show my face because it's just a camera, and then you would hold up the piece of paper and it will scan. And remember, this code is specific to your child. It's not a class code. It's, I believe it's like a 9, 12, or 16 letter digit code. And then you would have access to, then your child would have access to the specific teacher's classroom. There shouldn't be any other classrooms there. They've all been archived. So your last year's teacher, your child's last year's teacher, if you use Seesaw. So it should just say it's your child's current homeroom. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to any of the third grade teachers if you are having trouble signing into Seesaw. Thank you so much.